In this demo, we'll show you how to set up eBay on a cloud phone. Let's get started. To begin, launch the Multilogin app and log in. This is the main dashboard. For this tutorial, we're using cloud phones. These are real Android devices in the cloud that let you use apps like eBay without needing a physical phone. Next, navigate to the Cloud Phones section. This is your Cloud Phones workspace. All your cloud devices, folders, and settings are managed here. Then, click Create to start setting up a new cloud phone. Give your profile a name and choose how many devices you need. Each device works as a separate Android unit. You can add notes to remember what each cloud phone is for, and then put it in a folder to keep things organized. After that, set up a proxy. Choose Multilogin to use its built-in proxies. This allows your cloud phone to connect from a specific place. Pick a country and city. This makes your device look like it's connecting from that area. Choose a device brand and model. For the best setup, use one cloud phone per eBay account. Click Create to finish setting up your cloud phone. Once it's all ready, launch your cloud phone. The device will open to a standard Android home screen. You can click, swipe, and navigate just like on a real phone. On the right, you'll see a sidebar with quick tools. You can check your connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, or use the camera. More tools are in the More menu. Next, open the built-in App Store to install eBay. Search for eBay and install it. You can also upload your own APK file if you need to. After it's installed, open eBay from your cloud phone's home screen. Log into your existing eBay account. After that, you can work with your eBay listings, check your sales, and view bids directly from the Cloud Phone app. Your session will stay saved on this device. Manage all your eBay accounts from one place with Multilogin cloud phones without extra devices. Start your trial and connect your first cloud phone today.